I'm making the shirt as promised from this lovely fabric. It's such a great match for these Palazzo trousers. I have had this fabric for more years than I can remember, and now is the time to use it up. It is from John Caldor. I have bought many of his fabrics in the past. It's a very unusual print and I've always loved it. It's rather sheer though. It would make a beautiful dress if I had more of it. So I'm thinking about lining it for this shirt. This lining brings out the colour and the shimmering pattern. As for the sewing pattern, I may use a version of the 545 frilly shirt without the frills. I dug out this great picture from 2011. I need a slim shirt with slim sleeves to fit on the yardage. It's about 44 inches wide and 56 inches long. And I seem to have cut off a sample piece at some point. It's going to be a tight fit. I can get the patterns in across the width, and I can shorten the sleeves a little. The bodice can be shortened as well, and I can just about squeeze in the stand collar, the button band and the cuffs. I'm looking forward to making this up. I have all the pieces cut out. Because the fabric was difficult to handle, I cut out the lining first and used it as my pattern. Especially useful as I was cutting out a single layer. This shirt has a standard construction and is easy to make. I've got as far as sewing the cuffs and collar band. I hope to have the shirt finished later today. So it's finished and I'm really pleased with it. The stand collar suits the pattern. I omitted the waist darts. I didn't want a fitted look. It will look nice either tucked in or worn loose outside. Making up, I treated the main fabric and lining as one, so it was pretty quick to make. I already had these lovely buttons. They are natural river shell 2-hole buttons from McCulloch & Wallace, another of my favourite suppliers. I slightly regret losing the beautiful diaphanous quality of this fabric, but with so little yardage, I could only have left it as a large scarf. I think I made the right choice, as it is the perfect match with the bubble wash corduroy. Pictures coming soon. Both PDF sewing patterns from angelakane.com. Please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.